Think your pup is okay jumping on and off the furniture? Think again. Here are 5 reasons that your dog needs a paw ramp ASAP to help keep their joints safe and live a long and happy life. Welcome back to Alpha Paw, your destination for everything dog. I'm Bernie Zilio, and I'm on a mission to answer every doggone question you've ever had about your fur babies. And today, we are talking about the paw ramp and why it is so important, nay, imperative, that you get one of these ramps for your dog, big or small. Dog ramps have become the must-have item for dog owners. These ramps offer a convenient way to help your pooch onto the bed or couch for easier cuddles. And best of all, they actually help to prevent painful injuries and joint strain that can occur from trying to reach these areas. Jumping on and off of furniture can actually cause your dog a lot of harm. They can suffer from sprains, broken toenails, broken teeth, foot pad injuries, slipped kneecaps, and even serious smile injuries. Now, as you may have guessed, ramps are really popular with small dog owners. Small dogs love jumping on and off the furniture and will do this many times throughout the day. But just because your dog looks like he or she is doing this with ease, it doesn't mean they should. Months and years of this jumping up and down puts enormous stress on your pup's back and joints, risking injuries as well as arthritis. A dog ramp will protect a small dog's joints by reducing the number of times he or she jumps each day. If your dog is too small to reach the couch or bed, owning a ramp is a great way to avoid needing to lift them up and down throughout the day. So you're kind of also helping your own health too. No, seriously. We don't even recognize the amount of extra wear and tear we put our bodies through in the name of our pets on the occasions where they need that extra bit of help. Dog ramps allow owners to avoid that physical burden while also saving their dogs the same type of potential physical strain. But small doggos and us humans aren't the only ones who can benefit from the paw ramp. Senior or arthritic dogs, and I guess humans too, can also reap the benefits. Older dogs' joints, just like ours, have suffered a lot of wear and tear over the years. Helping them to reach high areas with ease is a must to keeping them comfortable as they age. If your dog suffers from arthritis, jumping up and down will cause a lot of pain and will put unwanted strain on their back and joints. An arthritic dog's quality of life will improve drastically with a dog ramp. And isn't that the point of being a dog parent after all? Now, I know what you're thinking. Okay, maybe this would help my dog, but not my feng shui. If you're that person, do you, boo? We have you covered too. Our dog ramps are foldable and portable with a minimal storage footprint. Plus, Alpha Paw carries all different sizes and colors to meet your decor needs. And lastly, the 5th reason you need a paw ramp in your life is that it's better to invest in this tool for your pup sooner rather than later. Instead of waiting until your doggo develops a mobility issue from jumping on and off furniture, prevent any health issues by saving their adorable little bodies now. You'll thank me later. I'll put a link to our favorite dog ramp, the paw ramp, in the description box down below. But do you have more questions about how to use a ramp? Or how to train your doggo to grow accustomed to this helpful house necessity? Leave them in the comments section down below and we will be sure to answer them. Again, I'm Bernie Zilio and this is Alpha Paw. Be sure to subscribe so you don't miss a single doggone episode and we'll see you next time.